Hello and welcome to Yescapa's Road Tips. In today's tutorial, we're looking at how to use the toilet and empty the cassette in a motorhome, campervan or converted van. Before using the toilet, open the cassette valve by sliding the lever located on the side. To flush the toilet, press and hold the button if necessary. Remember to save as much water as possible to avoid filling the cassette unnecessarily. After use, close the valve again to prevent any odours. Some vehicles have an indicator light to let you know when the toilet cassette is full. On average, for a family of 4, the cassette will need to be emptied approximately every 2 days. Always empty your cassette at a designated dump point, at a service area, in a campsite or in a traditional toilet, but not in a septic tank or in the wild. To help you locate these spots, feel free to use dedicated apps. To empty the toilet cassette, access the compartment from the outside. The method for opening the compartment may vary from one vehicle to another. Use the dedicated key and press both buttons on the door simultaneously. Next, engage the mechanism by pulling it up to remove the cassette. There's no need to force it. If the cassette doesn't come out, the valve inside the vehicle probably isn't closed properly. Twist and then unscrew the spout. Empty the cassette by pressing the button on the top to let the air flow and avoid splashing. Once emptied, rinse the cassette with water. Add a small amount of water to the cassette, then close the spout. Next, add the specific products according to the owner's instructions. Your cassette is now clean and ready to be used again. Slide it back into its compartment until you hear the safety click, indicating it's properly installed. Make sure to lock the compartment securely with the key. You now know how to use the toilet and empty the cassette in a motorhome, campervan, or converted van. For more advice, take a look at our other road tips videos. Safe travels and see you soon on Yescapa.